Welcome back to FX Titans. Today we are diving into a hot topic, rising energy prices in Europe and how they are impacting Forex trading. Stick around to learn how you can use this trend to make smarter trades even as a beginner. Europe is facing an energy crisis with skyrocketing oil and gas prices. Why does this matter in Forex? Because energy prices directly affect inflation, trade balances, currency values. For example, high energy cost often leads to a weaker currency for countries heavily reliant on imports, like Eurozone. Here's what happened recently. As energy prices rose, the euro dropped against the US dollar. This creates a perfect short selling opportunity for Euro USD traders. Now I'm going to give you some steps that are going to help you. Step 1. Stay updated on energy news. A quick tip. Watch for announcements about oil and gas supply issues. Step 2. Use these insights that are free signals to trade pairs like Euro USD, JPG USD for beginners. Follow these signals, or following these signals can easily simplify. Our signals provides clear entry and exit points, helping you navigate these trends without guesswork. Here's the best part. Forex trading doesn't have to be complicated. With the right tools and guidance, you can take advantage of global events like this energy crisis, remembering every trend is an opportunity. If you are ready to start trading smarter, join our Telegram group now for free signals expert mentor. Don't forget to subscribe to FX Titans and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly Forex tips. Let's make trading simple.